Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Lake County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern King County in northeastern Illinois, northern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 7:30 a.m. At 6:38 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Palatine, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Elgin, Arlington Heights, Evanston, Schaumburg, Palatine, Skokie, Des Plaines, Mount Prospect, Hoffman Estates, Glenview, Buffalo Grove, Bartlett, Ocean Airport, Greenwood, Hanover Park, Carpentersville, Wheeling, Park Ridge, Northbrook, Elk Grove Village, Mundelein, Niles, Irving Park, and West Ridge. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.